Hi there, I see you're interested in learning UI/UX design, and I must say you've made a wise decision. In today's digital world, UI and UX are so critical in building a business, a website, or any digital products. Every business wants a design that attracts and retains their customers, and that's where you come in. Congratulations, you are at the right place. Welcome to Bizmaro Technologies, the best training institute in Abuja, where we give you practical hands-on training. I will help you become a professional UI/UX designer in Nigeria. Now, what is UI/UX? This is about creating user-friendly, visually appealing, and functional digital experiences. UI, user interface. This is about how a product looks and feels. It's all about the colors, the fonts, the layout, and topography of the digital product. While the user experience focuses on how a product works and feels, ensuring a smooth, effective user journey. A great UI/UX designer creates products that are not only beautiful but easy to use. I know you must be wondering what this training covers. At Bizmaro Technology, our UI/UX design course covers everything you need to know to become a professional designer, from the fundamentals of UI/UX design, where you understand design principles and products, to user research and analysis, where you learn how to study user behavior and needs, to wireframing and prototyping, where you create visual blueprints before actual designs. Visual designs and branding, where you work with colors, topography and layouts. You also learn design tools like Figma, the Adobe XD and Sketch. Here you learn how to work on top industry UI/UX design tools. Training also takes you through responsive and interactive design, where you learn how to design for web, mobile and tablets. Furthermore, this training takes you through usability testing. Here you learn how to test and improve your design based on feedback. By the end of this training, you have real UI/UX design projects in your portfolio, making you job ready. UI/UX designers are in high demand globally. You can work in Nigeria or abroad. You can work in industries like tech, banking, e-commerce and entertainment. There are some exciting job roles which include UI designer, UX designer, product designer, web and mobile app designer, interaction designer, or you work as a freelance UI/UX consultant. Companies are always on the lookout for skilled UI/UX designers to create seamless digital experiences, and this is your chance to become one. Now, why choose Bizmaro Technologies? At Bizmaro Technologies, we don't just teach theory. We give you practical job-ready skills with hands-on training, where you learn by working on real projects. We also offer you one-on-one attention. Here, a dedicated trainer is assigned to you personally. Here, we don't do overcrowded classrooms, meaning our classes are small for effective learning. You also build a real-life UI/UX design portfolio to stand out in job applications. We make you job-ready. Our training aligns with current industry demands. We also offer online and physical classes, meaning you can learn from anywhere you are at all in the world. Take action now. The demand for UI/UX designers are growing fast. Click the link below to register, or visit any of our physical offices in Abuja to start your UI/UX design journey today.